Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by turning on GPS and granting camera location permission so photos record coordinates. This ensures accuracy. Once done, open the GPS camera app and pick WGS 84 and 6 decimal precision so coordinates map precisely. Next, set image format and timestamp options so metadata is readable by mapping tools. Make sure autosave folder and file naming are set to avoid overwrites. Finally, test one photo and confirm the image shows coordinates and compass heading in the metadata before you continue. You now follow a consistent capture routine. Hold for a stable GPS fix and wait until the app reports 3 or more satellites and under 10 meters accuracy. Once confident, take a photo or switch to interval mode for repetitive shots. This preserves consistency. If you are moving, enable track logging or GPX export so each image can be matched to the route later. Also make use of compass and altitude overlays when context matters. These extras help when you review images on a map application. You finish by exporting photos with embedded EXIF coordinates or exporting the GPX track and importing into your mapping tool to visualize points. If images lack tags, align camera timestamps to the GPX track and auto-tag using a 1 to 2 second tolerance to pair shots correctly. If GPS fails, troubleshoot by toggling permissions, enabling high accuracy mode, or rebooting the device. As a last resort, use manual geotagging with landmark references. Once mapped, verify positions and adjust any mismatches before sharing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.